everyone, I'm Zhang Fangwei from Beijing University of Posts and Telecommunications. Welcome to our MOOC series, China's New Quality Productive Forces. This isn't just another economic buzzword, it's arguably the single most important concept for understanding China's future trajectory. To see how significant it is, take a look at China's 15th five-year plan, the country's highest-level strategic blueprint. The term New Quality Productive Forces appears 6 times in that document. That emphasis is no coincidence. It reflects a profound and determined national pivot, a decisive shift away from traditional growth models toward a new era of high-quality development. So what does this term actually mean? It marks a move away from growth that depends purely on sheer scale and heavy resource input. Instead, it's about a new way of creating value powered by high-tech innovation, high efficiency, and superior quality. It envisions a future where the economy grows with nature, not at the expense of it, and where technological progress serves humanity in more sustainable and humane ways. It is, in essence, China's response to the challenges and the opportunities of the 21st century. This series invites you to look beyond the headlines and see how this transformation is unfolding from the ground up. Together, we will explore the 5 core pillars that are turning this strategic vision into reality. We'll start with new intelligent connectivity, the digital neural network that's making our cities and the society smarter and more responsive, from AI-powered city brand system to the nationwide data platform. Next, we have new smart manufacturing. We'll see how a chain-based mindset is upgrading and reshaping the nation's industrial ecosystem, enabling a qualitative leap from big to strong. Then comes new energy. We'll witness a profound green transformation as China develops green energy industries contributing to global carbon neutrality. Next comes new materials. We'll delve into the very foundation of innovation, exploring the advanced materials that underpin national projects like high-speed rail and large passenger aircraft. And finally, new frontiers of sea, air, and space. We'll journey from deep-sea exploration to the low-altitude economy and the Beidou navigation satellite system, and see how China is opening up new drivers of growth for the future. This isn't just a story about technology and the economy. It's about a nation's solemn commitment to the future. Join us to understand the forces shaping future.